In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display name on Zoom. This is the name other participants see in meetings, so updating it is helpful if you go by a nickname, want to add pronouns, or simply need a cleaner, more professional label. We'll do this from the Zoom website, which gives you the most reliable way to set your display name across meetings tied to your account. Start by signing into Zoom in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left side and open My Account. This takes you to your personal dashboard, where you can manage your profile and key settings. From there, choose Profile. The Profile page is where your basic information lives, including your current display name and profile photo. Next, find your name near the top of the page and click Edit. This opens the fields you can change. You'll see a box labeled Display Name. This is the exact text that shows up to others in a Zoom meeting, in the Participants panel, and under your video tile if your camera is on. Type your preferred name here. Keep it clear and concise. If you work with different groups, adding a last initial, team name, or pronouns can help others recognize you, but avoid unnecessary symbols or anything that could be distracting. Remember, this name is visible to everyone in meetings you join with this account, so choose something you're comfortable sharing broadly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. You should see the updated name appear immediately on your profile page, confirming the change. At this point, your account is set, and most meetings you join going forward will reflect the new display name automatically. To verify everything worked, open a Zoom meeting. You can start your own or join a test meeting. Once you're inside, look at the participants list or under your video tile to confirm the new display name is showing. If you don't see the change right away, it can take a moment to sync depending on your network or browser. Also, be aware that some organizations or meeting hosts restrict name changes during a live session. In those cases, the profile method you just used is still the best practice, but the meeting may not update until you join a new session hosted with standard settings. And that's it. You've updated your Zoom display name through your account profile, saved it, and confirmed it in a meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present yourself exactly the way you want in your next call.